Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to be unboxing the Virtoba action camera. This is model VK-5. I received this at no cost for review and for showing and testing. It's a 4K action camera. It has a 20 megapixel Sony imaging sensor. It's a user manual here in multiple different languages. It comes with its own carry case, so everything's included. I'm going to move the box because there's a lot in here. So the carry case is nice, has a nice handle, looks like it's put together pretty well. Now I'll go inside. There's a lot of stuff in here, so we'll get started with the camera first. Now this camera has one of the largest touchscreens on the back that I've seen. It comes in a case already. So this is the waterproof case. They say it's good up till 98 feet, but you know, if you just go swimming with it or whatever, it should be fine in this case. I'm not sure about the 98 feet part, but this is quite big. And this is a big old touchscreen here when it is out of the case, but they give you buttons to control it, you know, when it's underwater, and the mounting bracket's already included there. There's multiple batteries. This is just one of the batteries, so there's two that comes in the kit. And there's a mounting bracket here, and it looks like it's for the head. And you put this on your head to attach it there. Now there's a lot of pieces, so I'm just going to show you the pieces. There's two of the same similar type, okay. Another mounting bracket, looks like maybe for a wrist. It's a small band, so wrist mounting item. And here's a bunch of attached pieces with 3M tape, so you can stick it to things. And here's another attachment piece, looks like for a wrist. Well, so you get two of those. And then here's some more sticky tape, so you get two sets of that. This kit really has everything. Charge cable. It looks like it's a Type A USB, so it's not micro USB, and it's not USB Type C. Here's some more sticky pieces for different mounting capabilities. And these are stick mounts, so you stick it on there and then you mount it. So there's a bunch of those. It's probably one of the more complete kits I've seen for a action camera. This looks like a tripod mount with a stick. You can use both or either. Handlebar mount, you know, here goes the handlebar or whatever. Some sort of stick you can put it on and mount it there. Looks like a little case. You can put it all in. And then this is a chest mount, so they literally give you everything. So many accessories in here. More attachment pieces, got some zip ties if you need it, some more sticky pieces, and then varying screw mounting pieces here. You get 4 of those. But really, the big part of the show is this, the Virtoba camera itself. Like I said, it has 4K, and we're excited because it has a Sony imaging sensor at 20 megapixel. The case has buttons for controlling it. Takes a maximum of 64 gigabyte memory card, and of course you'll want to use the U3 micro SD cards for this, the fast enough cards, you know, like 90 megabits or 80 megabits a second to write and read the 4K video. We like that this has a 170-degree lens as well, and you can find this on Amazon. At 4K, it also has Wi-Fi as well. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.